Riders, it's Josh from CycleHunters.com. And today we have an immaculate, gorgeous looking 2002 Harley Davidson Deuce. So as we get into this, you're going to see pretty fast how well taken care of this bike is for a 2002 model. Right off the bat, you can see it has a Screaming Eagle 2s, a backrest. It has the little rack on the back as well. A Lebanon Pa seat, which is really nice, very comfortable seat, and the aftermarket windscreen. And this does appear to be a quick release, if you can see in there. There's that little piece right there. You just pop it up and pull the screen right off. So if you feel like having the wind in your face, well, that is an option. So this bike has the 88 cubic inch motor, which is 1450 cc's. It has a fairly sleek body design style. Most of the Harleys, you know, when you look at them, they don't resemble the Deuce at all. This is definitely, you know, for back in 02, it kind of had more of that chopper-esque feel to it, more so than any of the other Harleys. So the paint on this is called Luxury Blue Pearl. And you can kind of see the blue pearl going on in there. Beautiful bike. It's very impressive, to say the least. Super clean, as you can see. But the tank on this, it's 4.9 gallons. And let's see here. You can see there's oil, like a lot of chrome all over this thing. So if you're digging chrome and you like that look, this one's got it. And it's really, like I said, really clean. You can even see underneath the frame rails how well taken care of this bike really is. So if you're somebody that's looking for a full-size Harley that's not going to break the bank, and you wanted something a little bit different, well, the Deuce is definitely in that wheelhouse. Now, this has the solid rear. It is a 5-speed. But, like I said, you can really see, look at that pulley, how clean that thing is. So good looking. This really could be an everyday bike, too. Pretty simple to jump on, thumb the starter, get going down the road. Look how shiny. All that chrome is in such good shape. This also has self-canceling turn signals. So you hit your turn signal, you make your turn, it'll turn off after you've made your turn. Good looking bike. This also has the key fob and the alarm. Now this unlocks the tumbler here. Right there. It's locked. Put your little barrel key in like that. Unlock it. And there you go. This bike has only 8,646 miles on it. For an 02, that's really not much at all. So controls, simple. Horn, lights, high beam and low beam. Which you can see high beam, low beam working over there. This is going to be left turn signal, left front, be left rear. So I don't know if this will work like this. Nope, I think the bike has to be moving in order to do that. So here's going to be right rear, shiny all over, right front. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Let's see if we can do the brake here. This is going to be foot brake. And then hand brake. Controls on the right side, pretty straightforward. Your on off, your start, and your turn signal. So let's hear what this Screaming Eagle 2 sound like on this baby. Thumb the starter, we're in neutral. Checking right there. You have your indicators, high beam, low beam, neutral. Your check engine or your oil light. Here we go. Oh, real nice. Sounds like a Harley. Got a good sound to it. Really good sound to it. Oh my goodness, yeah. Snappy. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Yeah, that sounds real good. Good looking bike. Everyday rider. If you're looking for a Harley, this is a great option. It's a little more unique than your general Softails that you can find out there. The Deuce has that just extra little bit of a chopper-esque kind of a look to it. But it's nice. It's a bit more nimble, I think, than most of the other ones. Just because, like, you can stand behind this and you can see how thin that is. The tank is really sleek looking. Just a great looking bike overall. Now, every one of our bikes at CycleHunters.com, what we do is a 48-point checklist. So, this will have a 48-point checklist done to it. Oil and filter, they're basic things for us. You know, we're going to check the charging system. Anything that we can pretty much check, connections of things, all that kind of stuff, we look over to make sure that when you get the bike, it is as close to 100% as we can make it. Checking the tires. Some good meat on there. Both front and rear. Like I said, checking the charging system. All that stuff. We really just want to make sure that if the bike needs it, it gets it. So it's really a simple thing for us. But we want to make sure that when you get it, you're just thumbing the starter, going down the road with a smile on your face. And that really starts, you know, once you come in and you get this baby in your garage and you open up that from day one, that bike's going to put a smile on your face. A big one. Real comfortable seat, backrest for the passenger. You can't beat it. It's pretty much outfitted as much as you can go. I mean, you can get saddlebags and things for these too, but such a cool looking bike. So if you're digging the 2002 Harley Davidson Deuce, give us a call at 717-273-1809. You can see the full list of inventory at www.cyclehunters.com. You can email us at cyclehunters@gmail.com. We have some financing options available. We can deliver bikes in some cases, ship them. We have aftermarket warranties available. Really just kind of boils down to whatever it is that we need to do to help accommodate you so that this bike or any of the other ones that we have can be in your garage offering miles of smiles for your lifetime of ownership of your bike. Such a good looking bike, boys and girls. I'm telling you, look at that. Shiny. That's a jewel sitting in there. Well, Until the next bike, happy riding.